Well, let's take a look at what some analysts are now calling an IEBC dilemma. President William Ruto's Friday announcement that 47 state corporations are lined up for dissolution has triggered yet another conversation with leaders and pundits, saying the president cannot unilaterally make such a monumental decision. They say every entity was founded on specific distinct acts of parliament, and as such only parliament can effect such a plan. And as Alan Ochanda now reports, the head of state has also been called out over his delay to assent to the IEBC bill into law, terming it as a ploy to protect his allies against being recalled by the electorate.
While making the announcement, the president noted that the functions of the entities earmarked for dissolution will be integrated into other ministries and workers will be seconded to these ministries. Pressure is also mounting on the president to sign the IEBC bill into law. The commission is currently not fully constituted and cannot carry out its functions, yet several constituencies and wards remain unrepresented as no by-elections can be conducted. Delimitation of boundaries, a key function with specific timelines, has also not been carried out, forcing the Commission CEO Marjan Hussein to seek a court's interpretation on whether they can proceed with the exercise as currently constituted. A concurrence between the National Assembly and the Senate on the proposed changes to the Electoral Commission has paved the way for its reconstitution, which will now have 9 commissioners instead of 7. However, delays by the president in signing it into law has raised concerns.
Parliament has done so well to process the amendments to the IEBC Act. So all that the president needs is to sign into law. But we are concerned because the delay in signing IEBC bill into law is a clear demonstration that the president is fearing something. And we know that the main fear is bordering around the recall process. That now members of public who are agitated about what the government has done and what the members of parliament have done will take advantage of that recall process to recall the members of parliament.
The lack of quorum at the electoral agency was occasioned by the exit of the commission chair following the expiry of his tenure and the departure of 4 commissioners. Professor Gitile Naituli in a statement says, quote, "Delaying the review of the constituency boundaries has serious implications as it denies Kenyans representation. One of IEBC's obligations is to guarantee Kenyans authority through elections." End of quote. IEBC is mandated to review the names and boundaries of the constituencies at intervals of not less than 8 months and not more than 12 years and should be completed at least 12 months before a general election. Alan Ochanda, KTN News.
Thank you very much, Alan Ochanda. Let's cruise